to prepare coconut oil and honey hair mask. If you have shoulder-length hair, blend half a cup of coconut oil with half a cup of honey. For those who have longer or shorter hair, adjust the proportions accordingly. Now, massage this into your hair thoroughly and leave it on for 15 minutes. Then, rinse the mask out with cool, lukewarm water and shampoo. For best results, use this honey hair mask once a week. How coconut oil and honey hair mask helps in hair growth. Coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft and nourishes the hair from within. Due to its penetrative properties, it reduces protein loss. It creates a thin coat around the hair shaft and protects it from UV damage. When paired with honey, it nourishes and strengthens the hair. On the other hand, honey is an emollient. It seals the moisture in your hair, keeping it conditioned and shiny. This reduces breakage, which is often a cause of slower hair growth. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.